Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch games on your Android device. We'll explore the exciting possibility of bringing your favorite console adventures to your phone or tablet. First, we'll cover the fundamental steps and requirements for setting up an emulation environment. This guide aims to provide a clear overview, helping you understand what's involved in transforming your Android into a portable gaming powerhouse for these titles. To begin, your Android device needs robust hardware. A powerful processor, such as a Snapdragon 800 series or equivalent, is absolutely vital for handling complex Switch titles. You'll also require a generous amount of RAM, with 8 GB or more being highly recommended for optimal performance. Furthermore, ensure you have plenty of free storage space, ideally 128 GB or more, to accommodate game files and emulator data. Next, you'll need to choose a suitable emulator application. Several options exist that are developed for Android, each with its own features and compatibility. It's important to download these applications from their official and trusted developer sources to ensure security and proper functionality. Once installed, carefully follow the emulator's in-app instructions for initial setup, which often involves configuring settings and locating game files. Finally, it's important to manage expectations regarding performance. Even with top-tier hardware, some games may not run perfectly, exhibiting occasional slowdowns or visual artifacts. Compatibility varies widely, so research specific game performance on your chosen emulator. Remember, while emulation software is legal, obtaining game files requires you to own the original game. Always respect intellectual property rights when exploring this exciting world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.